Welcome back to CineTech. Today, we're looking at the Antigravity A1 Explorer Bundle, an 8K 360 drone promising immersive flight and incredible creative potential. This bundle includes 3 batteries, making it ready for extended shoots. Check the link in the description for the best price. This drone excels in its core 360 capabilities, though it requires a different approach. The 8K 360 video capture is outstanding, providing all the raw material needed for dynamic reframing. Reframing footage after flight is a major advantage, giving you complete control over your final shot. The point-to-fly motion controls are quite intuitive for newcomers, though it's a departure from standard drone operation. While it can capture traditional video, its core strength lies in its 360 capabilities, not standard framing. The A1 truly shines with its 360 footage capture and the immense creative freedom offered by. This drone offers unique capabilities, but its price positions it as a premium creative. The drone packs cutting-edge 360 technology and advanced features, justifying its price for specific users. Antigravity is an emerging brand that's pushing boundaries with innovative products like this one. Direct competition in this niche is limited, making its value proposition unique for specialized needs. The premium initial cost can be a barrier, though it's a more appealing purchase during sales events. While the Antigravity A1 is unique and powerful, its price is a significant factor when compared. While safety features are robust, new product categories can present unique challenges. The drone appears to have a solid build quality, suggesting it's designed for reliable operation. As a newer product category, long-term reliability is still being established, with some unknowns. Standard warranty considerations apply, and support from a newer brand may require verification. The app is critical for editing, and compatibility across devices will be key for user experience. Safety features appear strong, but buyers should be aware of the risks associated with a new. The Antigravity A1 Explorer Bundle is a truly unique offering for 360 creators and experimental filmmakers. It excels at providing unmatched reframing freedom after your flight, turning every shot into a potential masterpiece.